Attention SSS pensioners! Magandang araw mga mahal naming SSS pensioners. Last March 31, 2023, maagang natanggap ng mga first batch SSS pensioners ang kanilang April monthly pension dahil natapat ng Saturday, araw ng release ng kanilang SS monthly pension na April 1, 2023. Sila ang mga SSS pensioners na may date of contingency mula 1st of the month to the 15th of the month. At para naman po sa mga SSS pensioners na may date of contingency na 16th to the last day of the month na second batch,
ang date of contingency ay batay sa mga sumusunod na SSS guidelines sa taas. Base sa date of contingency birth date kapag retiree, date of death kung survivor pensioner at date of operation kapag disability pensioner naman.
Para naman sa second batch SSS pensioners, April 16, 2023, Sunday, ang inyong pension release ay natapat ng Sunday. Kaya naman, maagang mai-credit ang inyong pension sa inyong mga pension cards. April 14, 2023, Friday, 4 p.m. onwards. Ang inyo pong matatanggap ay regular SSS pension lamang. Kakalungkot man, ngunit hindi pa daw po maibibigay ng SSS. Tagal nyo nang dinadasal na SSS second tranche. Ito ang kanilang tugon.
Understand the pensioners' plight and the difficulty they are currently experiencing due to the pandemic. In as much as the SSS wants to respond to the clamor of its pensioners, granting a second P1,000 additional benefit allowance will, unfortunately, undermine the SSS fund viability. It can cripple our institution's ability to provide benefit payments to its members and pensioners in the future. Once again, the SSS is appealing for your understanding that we have to comply with the SS law to ensure that any new or additional benefit is based on the pension fund's financial soundness. Rest assured that the SSS will continue to safeguard the fund and promote all its stakeholders' general welfare in the years to come.
Ayon sa kanila, hindi pa kayang ibigay ng SSS ang additional second tranche dahil tiyak na ikalulugi ito ng SSS. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, boss na nakatulong sa'yo, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para updated ka sa aking mga latest content. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Ingat po parate. God bless you all.